Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Dwi Rapika with student identification number 4. Today I will be completing my final examination assessment by presenting a video recording of a patient admission interview and data collection. This video demonstrates the process of interviewing a patient and completing the patient record in a hospital setting.
Good morning, Miss. Welcome to Bayangkara General Hospital. I am Nurse Natalia Veronica, and I help you with the admission. May I have your full name, please? My name is Marsha. Thank you, Miss Marsha. Could you tell me your date of birth?
It's July 10, 2008.
So, you are 17 years old, right? And your current home address?
Jalan Kenanga, number 18, Bengkulu.
Do you have a phone number we can contact?
Yes, 082288993344.
Alright, what's bring you to the hospital today?
It's been feeling shortness of breath since this morning.
I see. Do you have a medical history such as hypertension, asthma, or diabetes?
Yes, I have asthma.
Are you taking any regular medication for your asthma?
Yes, I use